It would be easy to say, wow, it's Monday, it's a little gloomy, not a great start to the week, but we'll improve.
We will. And like kind of in a linear fashion up till about Thursday.
Okay.
And then
we'll plateau a little.
Well, so we're going up though for a while.
Right.
Yes. We can enjoy the week.
We'll talk about that. The thing that, and I know, like I obviously know this, I was walking down here, I looked out the window, I was like,
right, it's dark. It is dark and rainy.
good news, more time for my inflatable Jack Skeleton and Dog Zero to shine out there, which is great. All right, so today, started off with a little sun. We were able to cloud up pretty quickly though, and now it's just been unsettled. Notice in the last 15 to 30 minutes, the reduction of shower activity. So the sun is a factor even when it's not impacting us. So the sun is driving the shower activity. When the sun goes down, you'll see fewer and fewer of those showers around. A couple of sprinkles still, a few of the heavier ones are into the mountains, and same deal across central and northern Maine. That will continue to be the case through about midnight tonight, but I don't think there's all that many showers around. And because temperatures weren't that warm today and we've got clouds tonight, I don't think our daytime high to overnight low swing is going to be all that big. So we got to 55 or so, and we might only drop to, say, 48 to 49 along the coast, so very little swing. Inland in the mountains will be in the mid-40s, but keep in mind the highs were in the upper 40s, so very little change here. Cloudy, isolated showers tonight. Tomorrow is a little bit better than today. There is still a lot of cloud cover around. Temperatures aren't really any warmer. We're still in the mid-50s, but that disturbance has moved farther away. So we'll see just an isolated shower here or there. A lot less activity on the radar tomorrow, and all of it will be much lighter. So I think a lot of us will be able to stay dry through the day tomorrow, and then we get just a little bit better on Wednesday with a mixture of sun and clouds becoming mostly cloudy, upper 50s to around 60 degrees, and I think pretty much everyone stays dry on Wednesday. The exception might be far western Maine in the afternoon, and then we're cruising into Thursday, which will actually start cool in the 30s in a lot of spots, but we end up in the mid and upper 60s with a lot of sun Thursday afternoon. That's definitely the best day of the week. Work week, all of it together. Friday starts off pretty nice, but then some clouds come in, and the weekend at this point, it's not looking super promising because we've got a storm coming in and the moisture is kind of flowing in from the south and west. From showers on Friday night to legitimate rain, I think midday Saturday, Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, early Sunday. Maybe we can clear out Sunday afternoon, but if we do, with that low right there, I don't even have to look at a wind map to tell you the winds are going to be whipping northwest behind that. So that may dry the coast out, but I think it'll be quite cool and breezy, even if we're able to get some sun in there. Total rainfall amounts over the weekend, 1 inch to 1.5 inches is what it looks like right now. Look, guys, there's time for this to change. I don't know. I think best case scenario, it speeds up and we get more of Sunday. I don't see it being like, oh, you know what, we're good. Like it's not going to happen, which we were able to pull out last weekend, as you know. I was saying earlier, I took a little ride through Kangamungus.
Oh yeah, a lot of traffic.
I didn't drive. I skirted around it because I saw all the cars backed up. But man, everywhere this year, it's just the weirdest foliage season I've ever seen.
Oh yeah, it's
usually
all very quiet.
Yeah, usually it's like on fire out there, and it just hasn't been the case.
All right. Well, it's still pretty.
But, yeah.